Okay, so first you have to input in your API keys, and now we're going to just draft a simple SPA for a small business. Okay, so it's drafting, it's created a document, and right now it's describing what is drafted. Okay, so now we can view the document in the side panel, and we can also download it. Now we're going to make some small edits. So the AI is going to act sort of like a human lawyer. It's going to read and it's going to find specific phrases, and you can see that it's trying to find keywords like seller name. Okay, now it's made all the edits as in track changes, and we can decide whether to accept or reject the changes or not. Okay, so here we're just going to accept, and we can accept all as well. Okay, so great. And now we're going to generate a CP checklist. So this is coming from a workflow. So we can see that we have attached a workflow, and this one is predefined and just comes through the Mic website. Okay, but you can also create your own workflows which I'll show you how to later. So here we have what's generated, and you can see that it's nicely formatted in landscape. So the next feature is projects. So you can create projects to hold your documents, to run assistance on them, and to run tabular reviews on them. So here we have just created a new project. Okay, so we're going to ask the AI to create a template employment agreement. So it's working right now. There we go. And you can see that the document has appeared on the left side in the Explorer. Okay, there we go. And the sites refer to specific portions in the document, which are highlighted. And the AI is going to generate 4 more copies now because we have 5 employees in total. Okay. And now we're going to ask the AI to make some small edits. So the AI, the project assistant here, it has access to all the documents and it can make edits across all of the documents. All right, there we go. So you can see that all of the documents have been versioned up and they all have the changes in track changes, and we can accept them or reject them. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to view a different NDA review project. I just created a new assistant, and we can see that I've already uploaded all of the documents. We can create subfolders, and we can drag and drop documents into them or drag them out. We can also delete the subfolders or delete the documents. Okay. So we can drag documents into the chat input. And we're just going to ask a quick question comparing these two NDAs. So the AI is generating this answer. Okay, so after the answer has been generated, you can see that the sites have been loaded, and if you click on them, you get quotes within documents. Okay, now we're going to create a new tablet review in the same project. We're going to use a workflow that is already defined within Mic. So this is an NDA review workflow. So you can see all the columns already have prompts and settings defined, and we can also add more columns and upload more documents. Okay, so now the tablet review is running. It's pretty quick, even though the video is sped up. It is pretty quick. And we can also chat with the results. You can select the model. Okay. There we go. Let's wait for the citations to load. Okay, it's loaded. Okay, so if you click on them, it links to specific cells. If you expand the cells, you get more details, you get sites. Okay. And you can export the tabular review as well in Excel. Okay. And here we just have the tabular review page where you can view your tabular reviews, whether they are created in the project or standalone. So now we are on to workflows. So we can see that we have tons of workflows here. These are predefined and comes with the website. So we have both assistant workflows and also tabular review workflows. And we're going to create a new workflow now. So that's going to be a tabular assistant workflow. And we're going to create all the columns. You can see that all of the prompts so far immediately populated because we have already defined prompts for certain key terms. Okay. So you can see it appears immediately. All right. And you can share the workflows as well, and you can share projects as well. Yeah, so that's it.